everybody, so today in this video I'm doing something very exciting. I am opening up some packets of these, which are, let me get this right, these are made by Blindside cards, and they are the 2020 streaming series for the Sheffield Steeldogs. Yeah, with these you get 6 random cards, there's 27 cards to collect, and there are some like signed cards and stuff that you can get in here. I am really hoping for a Dimitri Zamozra signed card. That's my aim. I don't know if I'm going to get it or not, but yeah, these packs, I bought 2 4-packs just to see how we get on, and obviously hoping for the Dima, but if we don't get it, we don't get it. I'll just try again. These are £4 a pack, I believe, or you can buy these 4 packs for £14, so you get a little bit of a discount there, so that's good. So, and they're all sellotaped together, so I'm kind of struggling a little bit, but there we go. Okay, so we have our 8 packs. I'm so excited. Let's see who we get in our first pack. I'm so excited. Okay. So, the first one that we get is Miles Finney. Goaltender, but the wrong goaltender, but I don't mind. So, they all have some stats on the back. We have Jonathan Kirk, brother of Liam Kirk. 3 games played, 1 goal. So yeah, tells you a little read up about each of them. Obviously quite a few of these players didn't play for the Steeldogs originally, but they signed up for the streaming series because there wasn't that many teams taking part in it. We have got Ben O'Connor. On there, obviously ex-Steeler. We have our first signed card. We have Ben Lake, which I think is a pretty good one to get. Ben Lake played for Belfast Giants at some point. I think he also played for Coventry. Did he play for Coventry? Yeah, Coventry Blaze and Belfast Giants. But yeah, signed Ben Lake card, pretty cool. Then we have Jason Hewitt. What a boy. Former Steeler. Regularly plays for the Hull Pirates, but signed up for the Steeldogs in this regard. Always nice to get a Huey. Oh, cool. We got a Dimitri Zamozra. Yay. Not the signed one, but we got a Dima card, so I'm happy. That's only our first pack, and I've already got a signed card, so that's pretty cool. Let's move on to our next pack. These are so good. I like these cards. They're awesome. Okay. So, we got another signed card. The first card is a signed Ben O'Connor card. We got another Miles Finney. Oh, we got the checklist, which is like a big old group shot. I like that a lot. So that is the big old checklist. Cool. We got another Jason Hewitt. We got another Ben O'Connor. And we got a new one, we got James Spur. So that's that one. Next pack. I've done well, I've got 2 packs and got 2 autographs, so I'm happy so far. Okay, so we have got Ryan Johnson, Charlie Thompson, we got Stanislav Laskek. Don't know how you pronounce that name. But he's cool. I like his beard. We have a signed card. We have Jason Hewitt. Signed card. Pretty good. Always good to get a Huey. Thomas Ralph. Funny guy. Always a good laugh. And then we have another Jonathan Kirk. Next pack. I'm still looking for my Dimitri Zamozra. Okay, we have a ones to watch card, which is a Alex Graham card. That is going to be a good one to get. This lad is going to be amazing when he's like a little bit older. He is going to be a really good one. We have got Tim Smith, Steeldogs legend. Another Jason Hewitt. We have Nathan Ripley. We have another Miles Finney. They're giving us a lot of these Miles Finney cards. And then Alex Graham again. Always good to get an Alex Graham card. To give you an idea, he played 4 games, got 5 goals. What a lad. So, next pack. We have got Brady Doxey. We've got another Miles Finney. I mean, what is it without another Miles Finney card? Let's just have all the Miles Finney cards. We have another Jason Hewitt autograph. Can't say any fairer than that. That's another Hewitt autograph. We have another checklist. We have Charlie Thompson. And we have Jack Brammer. Another new one that we haven't had before. Ooh, almost dropped it on the floor. Down to our last 3 packs. Come on, Deemer autograph. Really, really hoping for a Deemer autograph. We have another autograph though. We have Tim Smith. Pretty cool. You must get like an autograph card per pack. Ben Lake base card. Cool. We have another Alex Graham. What an absolute lad. We have a Deemer. That's my lad. Yeah, awesome. And then we have another James Spur, and then we have Ralph's. I can't pronounce his name, I'm sorry. But that's another new one. We might have the like entire set of like base cards, I don't know. But let's open up another pack. Come on, Deemer card. Yes! We got it! That's me happy. There's my Dimitri Zamozra autograph card. That's awesome. I love that. Yep, that's my card of the pack so far. We have Charlie Thompson. I do feel like we've probably got most of the set because like this is Tim Smith base card, Stanislav, I can't pronounce his surname, James Spur, and Ben O'Connor. And our last pack, which are we going to get? I think we might have got like one of each of the autograph cards as well, which is pretty cool. We have a Jason Hewitt base card, Jonathan Kirk. I mean, what would a last pack be without a Miles Finney? Tim Smith, Nathan Ripley, and a Ben Lake. So that pack didn't have an autograph card in it, but I don't care, because I got the one that I wanted. I got the Dimitri Zamozra. Yes, I'm very happy. Have I got the entire set, I wonder? Where's the checklist? Checklist. Ralph Morgan? I don't think we got a Morgan card. We didn't get a Bell card either. Or a signed Bell card. But I think we got like every other one of the cards. So we're missing 2 cards out of the entire lot. But I'm just happy I got my Deemer card. My signed Deemer card. Awesome. These cards are amazing. Like the quality of these is getting better and better and better. I did some, I don't know if I did 1 or 2 videos before doing openings of Blindside cards, and the quality is just getting better and better and better for these things. They're really, really good quality, and the fact that you get signed cards as well is incredible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, go and check out Blindside cards. I will leave a link in the down bar if you want to go and check them out. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Adios.